This is Draco Meteor Kid, and I am at Waves right now. This is a coffee shop in Vancouver. If it's not in the States, just saying. Anyway, so I just wanted to do a little review and say what my sort of favorite cards are from the new um, Hail, Blizzard, and Psycho Drive overall. You can see, I'll give you the link to it will be in the description down below, and same with my last video. So let's get to it. Okay, I'm just trying to look at all of the cards. Let's see. Let's start with favorite holos, then EXs, and then shinies, because there are some shinies in the set, which is awesome. Okay. Okay, first we have Leaveney, sort of standard. It's walking through a forest, but I like how they don't make the cards like all make it with just with a picture, a stock picture with a background. I like how it's sort of like walking along, and that's Mole Trace. That looks really cool. It's got a nice blue background and stuff like that. So that's really cool. Sorry, you won't be able to get to see the cards. You'll only be able to see them on the link down below. Articuno is sort of flying in a wintry night. That's really cool. Luxray Hollow. Oh my god, that looks good. It's sort of walking on the city tops, being a boss. I wish Reuniclus was a hollow, but nope. Conkeldurr. What? I don't like Conkeldurr, but this artwork is actually really good. So that's really cool. Scrafty, the artwork is pretty good, but I don't like Scrafty. Like, I really do not like Scrafty, so he definitely won't be my favorite. Oh yeah, and Chinchino Hollow, which really surprises me, because like the the um the like it wasn't a hollow in the other sets. It was, yeah. So anyway, okay, okay, now let's do favorite EXs of the set. First I'll judge the EXs, like the EX form. Shaman. Kyogre EX. Okay. My favorite EX out of the EXs, not like the full art EXs, is Shaman. And now let's do the full arts. My favorite full art EX they would have to be tied. I can't choose. They're so cool. And my favorite shiny of that set is I think the artwork is better on Zoroark instead of Hydreigon because so I like Zoroark more, which is really surprising actually because I like the other one Hydreigon more as a Pokemon. So yeah, that's that. Now let's get on to Hail Blizzard. Okay, let's see. Let's start looking at Holos. Arcanine. Uh, uh, let's see. Sort of cool. Not amazing. Chandelure Hollow. These are finally fire types instead of ghost types, which is really cool. That's actually really cool. Even though I'm not a big fan of Chandelure. Vanillux is just mad. I don't like that card. I don't like it. I don't like it. Yes. Zapdos Hollow looks really cool. Gardevoir Hollow. That looks really good. Lucario Holo, which is, wow, that's actually really cool. A flashy city in the background. I think all holos by Naoki Saito are the best, by far the best. Those are best holos. Even better than Match. Like, she makes really, really good holos. Now, my favorite EX in the set, like EX, I would have to award to Groudon, because Groudon EX is looking pretty awesome. And um, yeah, I think he's better than Regigigas and the other one, Kiram. Now, my favorite full art, that would have to go to Regigigas. I like Regigigas. Oh my god, it's so hard. I think Groudon, actually, Groudon more. And my favorite shiny of the set is Embor. Embor just looks like a boss. No, you'll see he's like, he is bringing destruction to the earth, like an evil Embor. Okay, favorite EX of the whole set, like EX, would have to go to Shaman. Then my favorite EX full art would have to be any of the any of the Psycho Drive ones. And my favorite shiny, that is actually really hard. But I think it'd have to be Embor, because Embor just a little more than Zoroark, because like Embor is really like it's an amazing card. It looks just awesome. Zoroark also looks awesome, but not as awesome. So, yep, that's my review of the sets, and there's also some uncommons and commons I like, but oh right, my favorite holo. My favorite holo would probably have to be Gardevoir. Gardevoir from Hail Blizzard. So that's my review. Thanks for watching, and bye.